Hey guys, this is Dr. Hub. In case you haven't subscribed, please do subscribe for updates. Now let's look into the daily fluid. The daily fluid turnover. The daily fluid turnover. And this is in the gastrointestinal tract. Intestinal tract. So here in the daily fluid turnover of the gastrointestinal tract, the first one is how much is ingested. So here the ingested will be, it is about 200 or 2000 ml, and the endogenous secretions, it amounts to about 7000 ml. So what are the endogenous secretions? Endogenous secretions, it includes the salivary gland, the stomach. So in case of the salivary glands, what are present? The salivary glands, it accounts about 1500. Then comes the stomach, it amounts to about 2500. So salivary glands, it accounts to 1500, and the stomach, it amounts to 2500. Then comes the pancreas. The pancreas, it amounts to the 1500, and then the intestine amounts to 500. So intestine, it amounts to about 500. Next is the intestine, it amounts to 1000. And lastly, you have the bile. Lastly, there is presence of the bile. The bile, it amounts to about 500. So the maximum will be by the stomach. Stomach is 2500, followed by the pancreas and salivary glands. So salivary glands and pancreas, it is 1500. So the salivary glands is 1500, the pancreas is 1500. Then comes the intestine for 1000 and the bile for 500. So totally it amounts to 7000 as we saw. And the total input will be, so far the total input will be 9000, that is ingested plus endogenous secretion. So total input if you see, it is going to amount to 9000. Next is reabsorbed. So in case of reabsorbed, it includes 8800. So what happens in 8800? So there's jejunum, ileum and colon. So jejunum, ileum and the colon. So jejunum is equal to 5500, and then your ileum. So then jejunum is about 5500, then ileum is 2000, and then comes the colon. The colon amounts to 1300. So totally, how much is it? So total amounts to about 8800. So then when you look at the balance in the stool, it totally amounts to about 200. That is 9000 minus the 8800. To learn and grow daily like this, please do subscribe.